how to overdraft your Chase bank account. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can overdraft your Chase bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to overdraft your Chase bank account, the first thing you need to know is what does it costs. Chase Bank charges a $34 overdraft fee per transaction during their nightly processing, beginning with the first transaction that overdraws your account balance by more than $50, maximum of 3 fees per business day for a total of $102. You can also avoid this fee by confidence. Dollars are overdraft fees if you're overdrawn by $50 or less at the end of the business day. Time $0 overdraft fees if you're overdrawn by more than $50 at the end of the business day and you bring your account balance to overdrawn by $50 or less at the end of the next business day. They also don't charge an overdraft fee for certain things, like if a transaction is declined or returned unpaid, or for items that are $5 or less. On this page, you can see what parameters the bank covers. Checks automatic payments from your checking account, such as a recurring phone bill, mortgage, or utility bill. Recurring debit card purchases, like your monthly gym membership or movie subscription. So that's how you can overdraft your Chase bank account. That's all for this video.